Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Like, oh my gosh, it is already May. We're basically almost halfway through 2018 and what a year it's been already. I mean, I don't know if you guys are feeling it too, but I've just been in a fabulous mood lately and I'm enjoying life, I'm loving everything, feeling motivated and really positive. The only thing that's letting us down is the awful weather and the fact that April's Look Fantastic beauty box has only arrived about 2 days ago. Now, I know that a lot of people have been having an issue receiving their beauty boxes for April, which is a bit unfortunate because I actually did want to do an unboxing on this channel, so apologies for that. That's why I haven't done it. I have only just received it about 2 days ago. And then today, I was shocked to say the least that May's beauty box actually dropped on my doorstep because, I mean, it's not even May yet. I'm filming this on the 30th of April. So, yeah, I think Look Fantastic have clearly got some making up to do for last month's disappointment. I don't know what exactly went on or why this issue has happened. But anyway, it's been resolved because May's beauty box is now here. So if you guys want to check out any of the products, I'm going to leave the link for last month's beauty box down below. I may even do a review because some of the products inside last month's beauty box were absolutely phenomenal and I'm so excited to try them out. But obviously I hadn't had a chance to try them out properly yet because I've only had the box for like the past few days. Anyway, so you get the gist. That explains why there is not a video for April's beauty box, but that's okay because we are here today with May's beauty box unboxing. So if you guys want to find out what's inside this month's beauty box, then please carry on watching. And voila, this is May's beauty box. Now, I'm absolutely in love with the two different colours. We've got a bright fluorescent orange on top and then a fluorescent pink at the bottom. And I'm just absolutely in love with these two colours mixed together. You know what this reminds me of? Is when I was in secondary school. And you know those luminous gloves that people used to have, or like the stocking? People used to wear odd colours. So for example, you could wear a fluorescent pink one with a fluorescent orange glove, and then you could wear mixed and match it with green and yellow and so on and so forth. So if anybody remembers that, then please leave me a comment down below. It'd be interesting to know if any of you guys had that sort of thing going on in your area, or if it was just something that happened when I was growing up and everyone in my area was just a bit weird. But anyway, as usual, inside the box, on the lid, we usually are welcomed with a quote. So this month's quote is Han Yu Ku. So this is the act of walking on tiptoes on warm sand. I didn't know there was an actual word for that sort of doing, but that's quite interesting to know. I guess you learn something new every day. Next thing inside the box is our complimentary Elle magazine of the month, and we also have a complimentary Look Fantastic beauty box magazine, which essentially just explains what the products inside are and what sort of ingredients they have inside and sort of top tips that they have. So this is the contents of the beauty box, and already I'm seeing a few brands that I recognise, so really exciting stuff for this month. So the first thing that I noticed inside the beauty box this month is something from the brand Sleek Makeup. Now, I have tried a lot of Sleek products before, and this one is the Face Contour Kit, pressed contouring powder and highlighting in one. So there's kind of like a duo thing going on inside a palette. So this is what the contour and the highlight shade looks like. Really looking forward to using this, just because I have tried out a contour kit from Sleek before and that went pretty well and was really pigmented. So high hopes for this product. So next up, we actually have something from the brand This Works. Now this is an in-transit camera close-up mask, moisturiser and primer in one. So it sounds like pretty good stuff, and inside the booklet here it says, get ready for your close-up, a travel size gem that evens, plumps and brightens your skin. This product is a mask, moisturiser and primer all in one. It contains a powerful blend of repairing plant oils as well as a boost of caffeine to erase signs of fatigue, making your skin look radiant. So really exciting stuff here. Looking forward to trying this out. I've heard lots of great stuff about This Works, and I have tried a few of their products before and they have not failed to let me down. So hopefully this is very promising, and the size that you get here is 20 millilitres, so quite a good little sample size, enough for maybe like a week's worth of use of product inside there. Next up, we actually have another makeup product which is quite new for Look Fantastic, because usually you get gifted with about 5 sort of skincare slash hair hair care products. So it's new that we've got 2 makeup products this month, but quite exciting nevertheless. So this is an eyeliner from Eiko. That's where I draw the line, is the little quote that says, and it also says, I do liquid eyeliner. So Eiko is a brand that I have actually tried out before. There was like a waterproof eyeliner that came way back when in an Elle magazine. Unfortunately, I didn't get along with that too well. It kind of made my inner tear duct really itchy whenever I used the product. So hopefully this one is a little bit better, and maybe I won't react to the ingredients that are inside this. Just because I hear a lot of hype about Eiko, and it's especially something that Alexa Chung swears by, and her eyeliner is always on fleek. So yeah, really looking forward to trying this one out as well. Next up we have something super interesting. Now these are teeth white strips, and they are from the brand Spotlight, and inside this contains 8 strips, 4 upper and 4 lower. So I'm guessing that you get 4 uses out of this, which is a pretty good amount of time to see if it makes any difference to your teeth. Now I've never tried out teeth whitening strips. Personally, I just don't think they work, and I feel like a lot of people that advertise it lie. So it'd be really good to actually have a go at this sort of product and see if it actually works. I probably will do a before and after and post it on my blog when I do a review in this month's box, so keep an eye out for that as well. So next up is this cute little product here, and it is from the brand Avant. We have a 5ml sample size to try out here, and what it is an RNA, arginine, maltodextrin. Okay, so a lot of ingredients that must be good for age defying, because this is an anti-age serum. Now I've been getting really into serums lately. They really do make a difference when I use them in my skincare routine, so it'll be really cool to find out more about this product and see what sort of magic this works. Okay, and last but not least, this kind of brings us to the end of the unboxing, but it's a really exciting product. Now this is from the brand Skin Republic, and it's an oxygen cleanse face mask. But what's so special about this face mask is that it's a bubble purifying and charcoal face mask. So you know those really cool weird bubbly face masks that got really popular around Christmas time, I think it was. Maybe they were even popular back then, but you started to hear a lot more about them, especially around Christmas time, and you know, people's faces would like start puffing up and it looked really weird. Well yeah, this basically is a sheet mask version. A bit more information about this inside the beauty magazine. It says that a selection of fruit derived acids work to gently exfoliate the surface layer of skin, while charcoal is renowned for its detoxifying properties. Yeah, really excited to try this out and see what wonders this sort of weird, sort of bubbly face mask feels like, and especially what it will look like as well. I think I'm more interested in the fact of how silly I'm going to look. And yeah, so that brings us to the end of this unboxing, and what an unboxing that was. There's a few really good products that are inside this month's beauty box. I'm really excited to try out all of them. As usual, I will leave a link to my blog post review down below. Now keep out for that because I won't have it out yet. I'm going to try all the products inside the box first, and then I'm going to come back and leave a link down below here. So watch this space if you guys want to keep in the loop with that, and if not, make sure to follow my Instagram because I post a lot on there, and especially on the Instagram story, so I will let you know as soon as that blog post is up. But anyway, some of you might want to know what's inside next month's beauty box, and voila, here we are. This is something from the brand Rituals. Now it says we are going to get the Ritual of Deo, so it's bringing peace and tranquility into your life. And this is a body cream. Now my mum actually owns quite a lot of Rituals products, and I've never actually tried them out before, but you know what they say, mama knows best, so Rituals is probably a great brand because my mum's using it, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying that product out next month. So yeah, that's going to keep me on my toes and keep me excited for next month's beauty box. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching as usual, and if you did enjoy this video, then don't forget to give me a like and maybe even comment any of your thoughts moving forward, what additional videos I could upload. Don't know if anybody wants to know about university and what's going on with that lately. And yes, so that's everything for today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks again, bye!